Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the icon changer app on this device. So we should first get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should open the app. So just tap the open button. And after that, you'll see here all of the available applications on your device. You could use some of these applications. Just let's use the contacts one. We could rename it by tap to edit icon. Also, we could use just the icons from the library, and to use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Let's use one from the default icons. For example, this is the contacts one. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now just wait a couple of seconds and skip the ads. So after that, tap to add to home screen the icon. Now we could change next icon by the same way or to go to desktop. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.